Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into it. With the remaining section of the hair along with tail we have split them into two parts and have ponytails on each of them. Have a wrap and attach top middle back tail loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, drop both tails into the parent loop and make it come down. Combine them into a common ponytail. Have a wrap and attach middle back tail loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Again drop the tail into the parent loop and decorate with a lovely hairpin on top of that. Move your ponytail 180 degrees to the top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom of the wrap band and move it to the right side. The remaining tail we have a wrap band attached to the middle part, bend the tail down, attach it to the last loop of the wrap band and push the lump downwards and hold it in place by dropping little hairpin through it. Then stretch the band for volume. Catch the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band, drop the tail into the loop making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have split them into two parts and have ponytails on each of them. Drop the right tail into the left clip and vice versa and continue doing it with the excess tip we have. Combine them both with the wrap band and stuff it inside. Have a beautiful hairpin on top of that. Once again, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band, drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair at the back, split them into two and have the right section drop into the left loop and have a ponytail on the left side, have a wrap band attach the middle part of the tail and move the tail to the bottom right and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun and have it in place by dropping little hairpin decorate with a lovely hairpin. Hold your ponytail on top and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom of the wrap band and move to the top securing there. Then with the remaining tail we have a wrap band attached to the middle part of the tail and bend the tail attached to the last loop of the wrap band and push the lump inwards by dropping a big black hairpin through it. Stretch the bun for volume. Once again, go for a ponytail, have it split them into two parts with the bottom one being thicker, have the top on a wrap band attached top middle part curl up in the middle and drop the tail into it, have the entire back section come to the front through the loop and split them into two and have it combined behind the tail with the wrap band and scrunch it to the top making the lump secure with another wrap band. The remaining tail we have a wrap band attached top middle part curl up in the middle and drop the tail into it, have the entire loop come around the lump we created and split them into two and have it come around the bottom and secure with the wrap band. Move your buns to the top and have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom of the ponytail, making it completely secured. Then bring the tail back and have a wrap band attached to the middle part of it after combing it completely. Then stuff the tip into the middle one, making it completely hidden. Then have the whole hairstyle in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster out of your collection and securing it over the wrap band we have. Have a ponytail and split them into two parts with the bottom one being thicker and have the top one straightened down using a bun maker and roll it to the top and bend it down forming a circle hide the excess bun maker by extending the hair. Then leave the remaining hair as such. That's it, we are done. We made a simple hairstyle. Go for a ponytail and straighten it down using a bun maker and roll it and make it to the top and bend it down forming a circle and hide the excess bun maker once again by extending the hair. That's it, we have made a simple bun to decorate with a lovely hair cluster at the bottom of your hair. Have a beautiful hairband, drop your entire hair into its loop and twist it 2 times, tightening the loop and have it move to the bottom and roll it to the top, making a lovely hair roll and bend it over against each other, making it completely secured. It's a very simple one, you can do it in a jiffy. If you want to enhance it, you can pinch out the hair in the top section or you can drop in your lovely hairpin in the middle to decorate it. Hold your beautiful hair from behind and make it a hair roll by using your index finger and hide it behind the hair roll we have and have the whole hairstyle in place by dropping beautiful hairpin on the right side of it. Drop your entire hair into a bun maker's loop and tighten it a little bit, then have it move to the bottom and roll it to the top making a lovely roll and bend it down forming a circle and adjust the tips for making it secure there. If you want, you can also pinch out the hair in the top section to make it into a loopy design. You can use your hair clusters in several ways. For example, you can hold your hair at the bottom and drop in your hair cluster at that point, or you can hold your entire hair. Thank you everyone for watching this video.